InDesign was first introduced over 10 years ago as a layout program for the publishing industry. Now it is the largest selling layout application in the world, being used to design and produce magazines, newspapers, books, advertising, brochures, reports, as well as interactive and animated projects for on-screen and the web. How can this great success be explained? Amazing features. Features that have made the layout process simpler and faster. The most powerful and advanced typographic features to format your text faster with total consistency. And, when needed, make changes to your formatting just as quickly. Features that make the applications within Creator Suite work together with InDesign like no other layout application can. Transparency effects that have added a whole new dimension to what can be accomplished in a layout application. And let's not forget output and printing. Creating amazing designs in a layout application is of little value without the ability to print and export the finished work with the utmost quality for both print and on-screen use. No matter what the destination of your layouts, InDesign lets you get there beautifully with features that will supercharge your workflow with speed and efficiency.